Although it doesn't yet have the clout of well-established European brands, Hyundai's upscale Genesis spin-off division is off to a strong start with its G90 flagship. This full-size sedan is elegant and plush enough to make you forget that it comes from a luxury brand upstart. Genesis has smartly eschewed sporting pretensions and instead focuses on the G90's cosseting nature. Smooth and satisfying V6 and V8 powertrains prioritize refinement over excitement. The G90's interior is richly appointed, and its exterior design is sophisticated but not ostentatious. The G90's most compelling feature, however, is its sensational value proposition. If you can handle the not quite there yet image, the G90 offers a lot of luxury for much less money than the established high-end brands. An all-new model for 2017, the G90 is truly Genesis's, well, Book of Genesis. It officially launches Hyundai's luxury brand as a standalone entity, along with the mid-size G80 sedan and, soon, the compact G70 sedan. Genesis doesn't offer much in the way of choice. G90 shoppers need only select between two engines, select rear or all-wheel drive, and choose among a few exterior and interior colors. The standard 3.3-liter turbocharged V6 is an easy choice over the optional 5.0-liter V8, as it offers virtually the same performance and better fuel economy for $1,600 less. Don't mistake the lack of options for a sparse standard features list, though. Every G90 comes fully loaded, with tons of luxury amenities such as a smashing value at $69,075, the G90 3.3T undercuts similarly equipped competitors by tens of thousands of dollars. All-wheel drive is $2,500 extra, if you need the additional traction it provides. Selecting between the G90's two engine choices is like looking at a wine list. The newer, fully modern twin-turbocharged V6 is the less expensive option, while the finely aged naturally aspirated V8 costs extra. Neither engine provides blistering acceleration, but both are so quiet and refined that you won't mind. The base turbocharged 3.3-liter V6 setup with 365 horsepower is an overachiever, matching the acceleration of the 420 HP 5.0-liter V8 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in our testing. Both powertrains pair with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission and offer either rear or all-wheel drive. We don't see any reason to pay extra for the less efficient V8, unless you prefer its more relaxed, old-school character and distinctive sound. Some of today's modern luxury barges achieve impressive efficiency, but the G90's fuel economy numbers are only average. The optional V8